so your skin will be super plump. And if you can see, yup, that'll do it. Hey Truly Squad, welcome back to my channel. So you're wondering how to get super hydrated skin, especially as we go from fall into winter. I got you. Now this is going to be like a quick skincare routine, because skincare should not take that long. Your skincare routine does not have to be something complicated, something that you have to stress about doing. You should just have your products, use those products, and go about your day. This video is just showing you guys some hydrating products that I like to use. As you can see, my skin is pretty dry. I just washed my face, so now it's time to bring that moisture back in. And these are my everyday products that I like to use, and I wanted to share with you guys because everybody needs hydrated skin and nobody is going to be ashy this winter. So these are my go-to products for super hydrated skin. Yeah, so I just had to tell y'all about it because nobody, and I mean nobody, is walking around with ashy skin this winter. Like, we want hydrated and plump skin. So if you want hydrated and plump skin, this skincare routine is for you. Now, first things first, I always have to go in and do my lips first, because when my lips are way too dry, I get those cracks on the side. So lately I've been using this lip serum, or any lip mask really, but I really like this brand of CMP Laboratory. They have like different ones. They have like the regular one, they have a plumbing one, and then like one for dry lips. So this is the one for dry lips. It's kind of bright. There we go. This is the one for dry lips. I really like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and it'll take your lips from this from this, honey. And this is the texture. It's not too thick, so it's like good to wear any time of the day, even though it's a lip mask. So this is after the lip mask. My lips are already looking juicy just from the lip mask. Next, I like to go in with a toner. So I like to use this Srehteal blemish pad toner. There's a lot of pads in here. I don't usually let it sit, I just wipe it. So I'll just use one of the pads and wipe. So this this is right after I finish using the toner pad. It already, brought moisture back to my face, which I really like. And the thing about these is you can use this in your morning and night skincare routine, so I really like that. So I just let that dry a little. I'm looking for my fan. I have it here usually, but I was cleaning my desk off, so I'm like, where's my fan? Where's my fan? I can't really see right now, so I don't see my fan. But yeah, let that dry a little, and then yeah, once it dries a little, yeah, it's pretty dry, kind of. Now my skin is already looking so good. So next I'll go in with the eye cream, which is this CeraVe eye cream. And I like to do it because of these eye bags. Now, when targeting eye bags, I understand it takes, that was a lot of product. I understand targeting your eye bags takes time to see an improvement. And some people just have, you know, puffy eyes. And I'm one of those people. So I've always had puffy eyes. Like, looking at old photos, I always had puffy eyes. So I know it may take some time for them to go down. And I like to just tap it in. You know, you don't want to drag your skin down, but kind of tap it in. Yeah. Okay, now from there. From there, once I have my eye cream in, I like to go in with this Burrito Soul, this cream, not cream, this serum. And as you can see, it says it's for moisture. So this is the Hydro Wave Deep Sea Serum, which the whole job of this serum is to really moisturize your skin. I'll go in with 2 or 3 drops. That's what they recommend. I put it on my pointer and middle finger, and then I'll rub it in like this, and really put it like on my cheeks first, and then all over my face. And make sure you kind of drag it upwards and not down. Yes, especially on the forehead. Bring it up. Bring it up, especially right here too. Smooth out those smile lines. And there you have it. I do a little under here, under my chin. Not too much, because most of the product went on my face. Yeah, so that's after the serum. And then I like to go in with this. It's the Kahi Multi Balm. And sometimes I'll put this all over my face, but usually, like for every day, I mainly just target it on my smile lines. So I just go in with it right here. Yeah. And there you have it. You see, I feel like that is the ultimate hydration right there. So this is a very hydrating balm stick, and it can be used to target wrinkles and fine lines. And so right there is where it needs that deep hydration for me, especially when I'm wearing makeup. Right here, creases first. And of course that's because it's moving, I'm smiling, I'm talking. So right here, I like to target that first. And then to finish off this quick routine, I like to go in with this Burrito Soul Bamboo Cream. And this is also for moisturizing and repairing your skin barrier. This is really just to lock in the moisture that we put on our skin. I like to use this. It's for moisture retention. When you want super hydrated skin, you want to use a cream, not a lotion, but a cream, because it's just thicker and it holds the moisture more. And it gives you more moisture. Why is that like a tongue twister? I put basically the same 2 fingertips of product, and then I do the same thing like I did the serum, and I rub it in, period. And then I apply it first on my cheeks, and then my forehead, and I rub it in all over. And then bring it down into my neck. There you have it. Now I'm looking like a glazed donut. So once this dries down, I just look very hydrated, which I am really hydrated. Hold on, I want to switch my lighting real quick. Okay, now it's looking dark in here. This is the skin. I know I look so hydrated right now. I look like a glazed donut. And my skin is super plump, so your skin will be super plump. And if you can see, yup, that'll do it. So those are just the products I like to use in my everyday skincare routine, and really to keep my skin super hydrated lately. If you are interested in any of these products, be sure to go in the description box and I'll have them linked so you can get yours today. And that was really it for my skincare routine. It's nothing complicated, something very simple, so your skin can be super hydrated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this was helpful and keeps your skin hydrated for this winter, because let me tell you, dry skin is not fun. So having really hydrated skin is so important. These products have been keeping my skin hydrated day after day, okay? I need to recommend it to my girls. The squad needs to know what products are keeping my skin hydrated day after day after day, and it's these products. So I'm really excited to share this with you, because when I say I've been kind of switching out and testing different products, but I've been using these products consistently and my skin is looking so good. So I just had to come on here, share with y'all. If y'all have any questions or videos you want me to do, be sure that you comment them down below. Don't forget, you are truly beautiful, truly blessed, and truly thriving. I'll see you in my next video.